Okay, today I'm going to demo how to install Microsoft Office 365 on your BYOD laptop. We're going to open our internet browser, again Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome preferred. We are going to go to the address portal.edpass.sa.edu.au. If your student is completing this at school, then it may very well pop up with the Seaview logo at the top here, and they can use their Seaview credentials straight away. I'm going to demo what may happen off-site. Is you may get this search screen first. At this search screen, we are going to search for Seaview High School. And you are going to land at this same screen now. Now the student can log in with their Seaview credentials. In their EdPass dashboard, they will have a productivity and collaboration section. The students may not see quite all the icons I see here, but what we want to do is go to the Microsoft 365 portal. And it does try and launch into Copilot. We are going to go to the apps. And in the top right, we are going to select to install apps, the Microsoft 365 apps. We're going to select Install Office. And this will trigger a download. Once the download is complete, we can open the file. Agree to the security prompt. Okay, and you can see that we're now all done. For transparency, I sped that up in this video. This took approximately 12 to 13 minutes to complete in its entirety. Now, when we launch the apps for the first time, it may or may not then ask for sign in one more time. The process is exactly the same as the students did to get into the EdPass in the first place. We have to accept the agreement, and you can see for me that it's already signed me in. If not, you can click sign in there and finish the process. That is the end of the video.